Coinbase is cutting roughly 14% of its workforce in what CEO Brian Armstrong calls a fundamental shift to an AI-native operating model. The restructuring eliminates traditional management layers across the company, replacing them with individual contributor leaders who report directly to senior executives. Armstrong described the changes in an internal memo, saying the company will now build products with AI agents handling routine tasks that were previously done by larger teams. The layoffs affect hundreds of employees across engineering, operations, and compliance departments, with severance packages reportedly including 16 weeks of base pay and extended health coverage. Coinbase shares initially dipped on the announcement before recovering in after-hours trading as investors weighed the potential for significant long-term cost savings. The move mirrors a broader trend across tech and crypto companies, pivoting toward AI-first workflows to reduce headcount while maintaining or even accelerating product development cycles. United States spot Bitcoin ETFs pulled in $532 million on Monday, extending their winning streak to 3 consecutive days of net inflows. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust led the charge with $289 million, followed by Fidelity's Wise Origin Fund at $116 million. The sustained institutional demand comes as Bitcoin has reclaimed the $81,000 level amid improving broader market sentiment following recent geopolitical developments. Total assets under management across all 11 approved spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States have now surpassed $67 billion, approaching the record highs set earlier this year. Analysts note that the 3-day inflow streak signals growing conviction among institutional allocators that the recent market correction has run its course. The inflows coincide with Bitcoin's 7-day gain of nearly 7%, suggesting a reinforcing cycle between ETF demand and spot price momentum. Telegram founder Pavel Durov has announced that the messaging platform will take direct control of the TONN blockchain, replacing the independent TONN Foundation that previously governed the network. Under a roadmap Durov is calling Make TONN Great Again. Telegram itself will become the network's largest validator and take over protocol development decisions. The move marks a dramatic shift from the foundation model that most major blockchain projects use to maintain decentralization. Toncoin surged over 30% on the announcement as traders bet that Telegram's 900 million monthly users could drive massive adoption of the network. Critics warn that direct corporate control contradicts the decentralization principles that blockchain technology was built on. Durov defended the decision, arguing that the foundation structure had become slow and bureaucratic, and that Telegram's direct involvement will accelerate shipping features that integrate the blockchain more deeply into the messaging app.